Hey guys, I'm Josh Gibbons, a brand identity designer. Welcome to a new video. So this one is gonna be about samples. So when you are doing Amazon FBA, you'll get to a stage after negotiation, or actually before and after negotiation, you would have spoken to your suppliers a bit first, and then you would have got to the point where you need to order samples. So obviously, if you've done your Amazon FBA research, you'll know that you have to get samples to assess the product, and then you can choose which supplier you want to go with based on the quality of the product, the quote they give, all of that sort of good stuff. And I just want to make this video short and sweet to answer a question. Do you have to worry about paying for samples? And I need to tell you this, no. In case you had any worry that, oh no, a supplier's charging me for samples, you know, surely they're free because they're samples. Or maybe you're thinking, I don't have the budget for samples. Okay, let me clear up a few things that will, you know, knock these stupid beliefs down. You know, I had the same exact thoughts until I've literally just gone through the process. I got a text about half an hour ago from DHL saying my sample is on the way, which is pretty awesome. So, alright, let's get into the first one. So, you're worrying about having to pay for samples because you think they're free. The only reason you'll have to pay for a sample is for the shipping. So obviously, if you want to get a package from China to the UK, if you're a UK seller, it's going to cost quite a bit. So most of the time, your cost will just be for shipping, actually. Other times, they may actually charge you for a sample, and that is totally fine. Because also, let's go on to the second one, you know, they both link into each other. They can actually take off the cost of the sample in your main order. So that is super awesome. Like with a supplier, that I'm speaking to now, one of them can't take it off the trial order, and another one can. So, you know, if you're worried about spending the money on a sample, just ask the supplier, you know, can you take this off the main order? As, you know, we might be working long term together. This might be a long term relationship, and I want to, you know, start off with having this sample taken off my trial order. So that is just an easy explanation for samples for you guys. If you have any more worries about samples, please let me know in the comments, or my email, or my Instagram. So they're all very easy. Just check on my descriptions and you'll find them all. So I want to end off by just clarifying this again. You can, sometimes, you know, some suppliers don't, you can get the sample price off your order. And two, the cost of a sample is usually just for shipping. Okay, so I hope that helps, and I'll catch you in the next video.